Create is the second shift of the heart, how you turn your purpose into prosperity. The Create membership portal is where vision becomes reality, the home for heart-led leaders, coaches, and therapists who are ready to explore the calling, share their medicine with the world, and build thriving, soul-aligned businesses that feel like a blessing, not a burden. Here we just don't teach business, we awaken creation. You'll be guided to design offerings that reflect your unique gift and impact lives with authenticity, integrity, and love. Inside Create, you'll discover tools to help you understand your superhero story and define your heart-centered niche, uncovering your magic and defining who you truly are here to serve. Then we will guide you to create your unique method and client journey, bringing structure to your intuition and designing transformation that lasts. You will create offers and plan how to deliver them, crafting beautiful experiences that serve from the heart, whether it is workshops, programs, masterminds, or retreats. You will master the art of marketing with soul, discovering authentic ways to share your message through social media, blogs, and podcasts. We even help you to develop your website and business plan, building solid foundations for your business to thrive with practical guidance and creative flow. With the most cutting-edge AI technology and business resources vault, we will help you to unlock templates, scripts, and communication tools to speak your truth and amplify your reach. Every tool, every training, every piece of guidance is designed to help you create from the heart field, so that your business becomes an act of love in motion. Because when creation flows from the heart, abundance follows. Be in your heart and watch your vision come alive.